7 colors and 7 fruits. Colors and fruits. Vegetables, candy, and cupcakes have different colors. Let's talk about colors and fruits. First color is red. This is red. Red. What fruit is red? A strawberry. A red strawberry. Strawberry. Second color is blue. This is blue. Blue. What fruit is blue? A blueberry. A blue blueberry. Blueberry. Third color is yellow. This is yellow. Yellow. What fruit is yellow? Pineapple. This is a yellow pineapple. Pineapple. Red, blue, yellow. 3 colors. Now let's mix colors. Red plus blue equals what color? Purple. This is purple. What fruits are purple? Grapes. These are purple grapes. Grapes. Red plus yellow equals what color? Orange. This is orange. Orange. What fruit is orange? A mandarin. An orange mandarin. Mandarin. Blue plus yellow equals what color? Green. This is green. What fruit is green? An apple. A green apple. Apple. Now let's mix all 3 colors. Red plus yellow plus blue equals what color? Brown. This is brown. Brown. What fruit is brown? Dates. These are dates. Dates. How many colors do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colors. Red, blue, yellow, purple, orange, green, and brown. 7 colors. A red strawberry, a blue blueberry, a yellow pineapple, purple grapes, an orange mandarin, a green apple, and brown dates. What is your favorite color? And what is your favorite fruit? Today, we talked about colors and fruits. See you soon! Bye!